Welcome to CyberWorldyt. Like and subscribe if you are new here. Also follow me on Instagram for in case of any queries. Let's get started. Understanding email phishing, the digital bait. Email phishing is a cunning trick. Hackers create emails that look legitimate. They pretend to be from trusted sources, banks, social media platforms, or even your friends. The goal? To make you bite. These emails often create a sense of urgency. Your account will be locked. Or you've won a prize. They want you to act fast. The bait is usually a link or an attachment. Click it and you're in trouble. It might lead to a fake website, one that looks just like the real thing. Or it could download malware onto your device. Remember, phishing isn't just about emails anymore. Text messages, social media DMs, even phone calls can be used. The hacker's playbook, from inbox to account takeover. Once a hacker has your attention, the real game begins. It's a carefully orchestrated dance. The first move, getting you to click that link. It's harmless, right? Wrong. That click is the key that unlocks the door to your digital life. The link often leads to a copycat website. It looks just like the real thing. Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, they can mimic them all. The page asks you to log in, just to verify your identity, they say. But every keystroke is being recorded. Your username and password, handed over on a silver platter. With your login details, the hacker now has the keys to your kingdom. They can access your social media accounts, post as you, message your friends, even change your password to lock you out. One successful phish could compromise your entire online identity. The damage can be swift and severe. When stars fall victim high-profile phishing cases, even the brightest stars can fall prey to these digital traps. Take the case of popular YouTuber James Charles. In 2019, his Twitter account was hacked. The culprit? A sophisticated phishing attack. The hacker gained access to his email, then used it to reset his Twitter password. In minutes, offensive tweets were flying from his account. It's not just individual creators at risk. Entire companies can fall victim. HBO, the entertainment giant, learned this the hard way. In 2017, hackers used phishing emails to breach their systems. They stole scripts, emails, and even unreleased episodes of hit shows. The damage? Millions of dollars and a tarnished reputation. Politicians aren't immune either. During the 2016 US presidential campaign, John Podesta, Hillary Clinton's campaign chair, fell for a phishing email. The hackers gained access to his Gmail account. Section 4, the phishing net. Common scams to watch out for. Phishing scams come in many flavors, but some are more common than others. The account verification scam is a classic. You get an email claiming your account has been compromised. Click here to verify, it says. But the link leads to a fake site that steals your real login info. It's simple but effective. Then there's the prize winner scam. Congratulations, you've won a contest you never entered. All you need to do is provide some personal details to claim your prize. Sounds too good to be true? That's because it is. Corporate phishing is on the rise. Hackers impersonate company executives. They send emails to employees requesting urgent wire transfers. It's called CEO fraud, and it's cost businesses billions. The pressure to act quickly often overrides caution. Section 5. Fortifying your digital fortress protection strategies. Protecting yourself from phishing attacks isn't rocket science. It starts with awareness. Be skeptical of unexpected emails, especially those asking for personal information. If in doubt, don't click. Instead, go directly to the company's website by typing the URL yourself. Enable two-factor authentication or 2FA on all your accounts. Even if a hacker gets your password, they'll need a second form of verification to log in. This could be a code sent to your phone or generated by an app. Keep your software updated. Those annoying update notifications. They often include important security patches. Hackers love to exploit known vulnerabilities in outdated software. By staying current, you close these loopholes. Section 6, disclaimer. Knowledge is power, use it wisely. Let's be clear, this information is for educational purposes only. The goal here is to protect, not to harm. Knowledge is power, but with great power comes great responsibility. We're arming you with understanding, not weapons. Use this knowledge to defend yourself and others from digital threats. Attempting to hack or phish others is illegal. It's not just wrong, it's a crime. One that can land you in serious legal trouble. not to mention the ethical implications. Would you want someone doing this to you? Of course not. So don't even think about trying it on others. Instead, use this knowledge as a shield. Recognize the signs of a phishing attempt. Understand how hackers think and operate. This understanding is your best defense. Section 7. Stay informed. Join the cyberworld community. The digital landscape is ever-changing. New threats emerge daily. Hackers are constantly evolving their tactics. Staying informed isn't just smart, it's essential. That's where CyberWorldYt comes in. We're your eyes and ears in the digital security world. Our mission, to keep you one step ahead of the bad guys. Subscribe to CyberWorldYt for regular updates. We break down complex security concepts into bite-sized, easy-to-understand videos. From the latest phishing techniques to cutting-edge defense strategies, we cover it all. Our content is designed to empower you, to turn you from a potential victim into a knowledgeable defender. But we're more than just a YouTube channel. We're a community, a place where cyber-savvy individuals come together to share knowledge and experiences. Join our discussions in the comments section. Share your own stories and tips. Together, we can create a safer digital world for everyone. Don't let the hackers win.